Hi there, Songbird. Kerri from theSongbird where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And welcome to day 9 of 21 days to your new voice. I'm really excited today because we're going to do a song application video today. What do I mean by that? See, all these exercises that I've been giving you through the years, they actually have an application into songs. We don't just do the exercises in isolation and then go, okay, we're doing our vocal exercises and then now we're singing, you know? There's actually a way to marry the two so that you can actually make your songs easier and sound so much better. So today we're going to learn how to apply the blah 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 exercise into a song of your choice. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, I want you to go pick a song, alright? So you're going to go grab that song where maybe there's a section in the song, not the whole thing, but maybe there's a particular section in a song where you find that whenever you get to that section, even if it's just 1 or 2 notes here and there, or it could be the whole chorus or whatever it is, where you find that every time you get there, you start to strain. You start to pull up and things start to feel just slightly uncomfortable, okay? So I want you to go and grab that song right now. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you the steps in how to actually apply the exercise into that song of your choice so that you can sound a whole lot better and it can feel a whole lot easier. Sound good? Alright, cool. So, it's the blah blah exercise. If you remember back a couple of days ago, I think it was day 7 when we did the blah blah exercise. So if you haven't watched that video, got to go back and watch that first. It's going to really help you to apply it better for today's video. Alright, so what we want to do is really take that lazy, the tongue's fat, blah blah feeling into the song first, okay? So step 1, find your song. Step 2, we're going to sing blah 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 lazily and ugly over that part of the song that you're having trouble with, okay? So it's not about prettiness here. We actually want to sound lazy and ugly right now. It has to be that way, otherwise you're not going to experience the full benefit of applying this exercise into the song, okay? Alright, so we're going to blah 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 our way through that song of your choice, and then once we've blah 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 our way through, we're going to sing the words in the blah 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 space, and then after that we're going to sing normally, and it's going to feel and sound so much better. You want to give it a go? Alright, so let me give you an example. My song that I'm going to just randomly pick out of my brain at the moment is going to be a song that I pretty much, without fail, every time will belt out at karaoke, is Adele's Someone Like You. So, I'm just going to do the chorus, okay, because that's the potential part where many of us will find a little bit hard. It's a bit high and, you know, could find it a little bit straining, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blah, blah, blah my way through a part of it just to show you what I mean. So I think the chord is here, so blah, 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 blah. Okay, so you see how I did not try to make that sound pretty. I just blahed it. It has to be a true blue blah, okay? So now it's your turn. You go ahead and take that song of yours that you've chosen and you do exactly the same thing. Just blah, blah, blah. Remember, it's not meant to sound pretty. Alright. After that, what I'm going to do now is sing the words in the blah space. So it's still blah, but it's just the words this time. Okay? So, never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Okay? So again, it's ugly. Alright? It's not meant to be pretty. Yeah? So you're really just practicing how to get that tension out of the jaw, how to get that tension out of the tongue, how to just sing it in a way that's not straining. Okay? Now, once you've done that, and you've done that a few times, so these things, they take time, right? So you might want to blah your way through maybe 3 times, and then sing the words in the blah space about 3 times, and then when you start to feel comfortable with that, try and kind of sing it normally, but still keeping that sense of blah internally, in your throat, and also in the jaw, in the way that you hold your jaw, okay? So now we're going to just sing it normally, right? But I'm going to remember how just comfortable the blah felt, and I'm going to try and, you know, sing it in that space, okay? So remember it was blah, 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 never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Okay? So in that space there, it feels quite comfortable and I'm not straining. I'm not going, never mind, I'll find someone like you. You know what I mean? I wish finished, I'm not doing that. I'm just really letting everything go. And then I can really play with how I want it to sound. So there you go. That's all I want you to do today, Songbird. I want you to take that blah exercise to another level by applying it to a song or lots of songs of your choice where you find there's a little bit of strain. Let's get rid of that strain. Let's make it feel better. Let's make it sound better, yeah? Good luck with that. I think you're going to have heaps of fun with that. Now, if you enjoyed today, please make sure you come back tomorrow because it's going to be day 10 of 21 days to your new voice. And if you're really super excited and you really just can't wait to get into a resource of how to actually warm up your voice every day, what are the best exercises to warm up every single day? Look no further. Just click down below on the link that is provided below and you'll be taken to my website, sign up and you'll be able to get my ultimate warm-up guide completely for free, and you'll learn all of my secrets of how to actually warm up your voice, the best way to warm up your voice, all there for free. So there, go there and enjoy it. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow, Songbird, for day 9 of 21 days to your new voice. See ya!